Namaste. This is Mike, and welcome to this special recording about Sankalpa and setting your intention for transformation. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live a long, healthy, and vibrant life? Yoga Nidra can help you tap into that potential. It's an ancient practice that guides you into a state of deep relaxation where your mind and body can release stress and connect with the inner resources that promote longevity. And one of the most powerful tools within Yoga Nidra is the Sankalpa, a heartfelt intention that can not only enhance your well-being, but also support your journey towards a long and fulfilling life. Let's explore how to harness the power of Sankalpa to unlock your potential for longevity and create positive changes that ripple through your entire being. A Sankalpa is a seed planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. To be effective, it should be short and clear, a positive statement, and in the present tense. For example, and related to longevity, this positive statement could be, every day, I embrace radiant health and longevity. Or something like, every day, I seek health and longevity. Visualize your Sankalpa as a seed taking root in your heart, nourished with every breath, ready to manifest. Take a moment to find yourself in a comfortable seated position, perhaps laying on your back in Shavasana, but in a place that you're comfortable, that you can listen to my voice. Noticing the support of the surface that you are on, and allowing your body to relax, grip to let go. Mind is here, listening to my voice. And let's begin to bring your awareness to your heart center, the place where dreams exist. Imagine your breath flowing in and out, slow and deep, like soothing waves. And as you continue to breathe, let's welcome in your Sankalpa, a heartfelt desire for your life. Ask yourself, what does my heart truly long for? Listen closely. And I mentioned before, every day I embrace radiant health and longevity. State your Sankalpa and feel it resonating through your entire being. Coming back to noticing the breath, the natural breath cycle, this already existing cycle, rhythm. Noticing the breath enter the body, the expansion on the body, and that gentle release. Starting to pay attention now to the ears, noticing any sounds present around you. Before opening the eyes, start to create just a little gentle movement in the body, perhaps wiggling the toes and fingers, and just gently swaying the body. And now that we've visited our Sankalpa for longevity, I wanted to talk a little bit about how to use a Sankalpa in daily life. Remembering that repeating your Sankalpa nurtures its growth. Repetition. Repeat silently throughout the day. Visualization. Envision yourself living your Sankalpa. A written reminder. Keep it visible as a reminder. And a few other tips. Choose a Sankalpa that resonates deeply. Keep it concise and in the present tense. Believe in its power. And now if you have a pen and paper handy, or you may just want to think about this and let that Sankalpa appear. Reflect on what truly matters in your journey towards a long, healthy life. What are your deepest desires? What qualities do you wish to embody? Take a moment now to define your Sankalpa. Remembering this can be changed and it may be a work in progress. But starting with something is so important for your progression and for longevity. May your Sankalpa guide you. Namaste, Mike. And if you would be so kind to share this video with your friends and colleagues, to follow my YouTube channel, I would be forever grateful. Thank you again. Namaste, Mike.